Intervals day, wag sana uulan, please. Makulimlim na. Pagbigyan mo ako, first time ko mag-intervals. Okay, warm up muna. This is me, 0 sets into my intervals. 90 seconds rest. This is me after 1 set. Oh no. Second set. I don't know if I should go slower, conserve my energy kasi I have a few sets, or every set should be pushed to the absolute limit. I don't know. Go. Third set. Third set done. Halfway na, halfway. Hindi na lang, 6 sets lang. Set 4 done. Last two. Turns out 5 lang pala yung naset ko sa relo. So 5 lang. Hindi ko kasalanan, mali yung watch. Pero dahil last set na ang approaching, I'll give it my everything. Let's go. 5. Come on. This is me. 5 sets into my intervals. Intervals done. Good job. Last 50 meters dun sa last set, almost gave up. Hindi ko nang lakarin, sukuan, pero since last set naman na, pinush ko. And I did it. Yeah.